What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Chevrolet Camaro flip key remote fob. This Chevy Camaro key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and flip the key blade open. Then we're going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and we're going to remove this back cover right here. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to come over to the side where the key blade flips in or folds in, and I'm going to get a couple fingers on here like this, and then put my thumb down here and just kind of peel that back. Once we get that cover off, we see our battery right here. I'm going to hold it like this with the key blade pointing down. Then I'm going to come in here and just get my fingernail on the edge of this battery and get it out of that holder. It doesn't take much, but if you're unable to do that, you can use a small flathead screwdriver or something similar. Once we get our old battery out, then we'll install our new replacement battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And again, if we're holding it like this with the key blade pointing down, what I'm going to do is tuck that bottom edge in first underneath this part right here. So kind of tuck that edge in first and then snap that down into place. Once you get the battery in place, then we can snap this back cover on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.